Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are in room 1103F here at the School of Visual Arts, and we are with Clara today. Clara, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing really good.
Awesome. So this is our second sketchbook together, correct?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this. So when did you start this sketchbook?
The sketchbook I started right here, December 22nd.
Wait, let me see.
I forgot to write the end date, but I ended it yesterday, which
Wow.
was, I forgot the date.
Okay, so this took you a while
Yes.
with all of your other work.
Yes.
Now, so before we go any further, talk to me about the pencils.
Right. So these are at least these two. These are the pencils I use in class.
Yes.
They are slowly dying out, but I've
Yes.
still been using them.
Oh my God.
And then this pencil I've been using since last semester, and it's also slowly dying out, but I refuse to let them die.
They're really cute. They're really
Yes.
cute. They're perfect. I could never draw with those, but those are really cute.
Yes.
So now, all right, this was back in December. How long, I would say most of this is out of your imagination, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Do you ever do like life drawings of people like in humanities class?
Not during class, because I don't know how to do that, but like during like just other times, like I do, like right here, I drew this at the, on my way back home for winter break.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, God, you could just simply put draw. Like you just sit down and you make it happen. And you've got so much energy and vitality in these drawings, it's craziness. So how was your first year here, fall and spring semester at the School of Visual Arts in the animation department?
It was really fun. I've been really liking my classes, and the people here are really, really great.
What was your one key takeaway that you learned that you did not know back in September?
I don't know. When you put it that way, I don't know.
Well, what's the thing that you like the most, whether it's a technique or a teacher or a discipline?
I don't know.
Fair enough, fair
Yeah.
enough. It'll come to you. I'm putting you on the spot.
Yeah, you really are.
So for me, when I was in first year of college, well, forget about first year of college. Let's go to second year because that's when I feel like I started to learn. It was about edges and values. I didn't know about that in first year. I'm like, why didn't anyone teach me that? So that was my key takeaway. Second year.
I guess what you can say I learned is that I can run on very little sleep and still be fine.
How many hours have you been averaging when you were trying to finish your film?
Like 4.
Oh my God, that's nuts. And so for you, you live in Texas, right?
Yes.
And so what's been your key food staple here that's so pretty, that has gotten you by, what's your key food to eat here at SVA?
Well, I'm a really picky eater, so it's like I really only alternate between the same few foods. I've been making myself quesadillas literally almost like at least once or twice a week.
Nice.
But as for like eating out, I would say I really enjoyed Kung Fu tea, like the mango slushies.
Nice.
But they put me to sleep immediately.
Yeah, so it's a major sugar crash, right?
Yeah, I don't exactly go through sugar rush. I just skip immediately to the crash, and it's the worst thing.
I feel you. Oh, that is really pretty. So I just like when you create pages that are very messy like this. It's super fun to look at. Super fun. I love the color. And what kind of markers are those, or is that paint?
That's a Posca pen, so technically it is paint. Yeah, I experimented with them a lot on this sketchbook.
Wow. And what is your dream job again?
Still a little bit kind of all over the place, but I would say like my main one would be like storyboarding, and my dream would be to like run my own show. But again, that's a bit much, so we'll see what happens.
All right, fair enough, fair enough. Gorgeous little drawings with the blue. And what is the first thing you're gonna do when you go home to Texas after 2 semesters of college?
Well, it's gonna take 3 days to get there. So we'll see if I can sleep in that time. But I'm definitely just going to be like hanging out with my friends, hopefully.
Nice.
And just relaxing. I did this thing where you can like flip them down. Sorry.
It's all good. That was a fun model.
Yes.
And then I really like that one too.
Oh boy.
Yeah, just rotate.
Okay. Got this.
Nice.
And then this one also goes down here.
Excellent.
Yes. And also have a charcoal drawing here, I believe. Oh, I think I taped it together.
Okay.
There it is. There it is.
Super pretty.
Yes, it got a little bit smudged because the sealant didn't really work.
Sorry, YouTube. I'm just moving
Sorry.
this camera. Hello, Carter. Looks like a little boy. Nice. And on average, how many days a week do you actually draw in your sketchbook?
It really depends, like when I remember to work on my sketchbook or when I have time. I know that for the past, like I think a month, I've been kind of neglecting it because I've been really busy with like my film work and my pitch Bible. But like recently I've been like putting in more work, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Like I know yesterday I did a lot of pages.
Wow. How did that, so your animation is due on Monday, correct?
No, my pitch Bible's due on Monday. My animation was due this past Tuesday.
Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful colors. These are great pages. My God.
Yeah, these were all with photo reference.
Really nice.
Yeah.
So you definitely have a style.
I guess.
Yeah, you definitely have a style. You have a stalker style because everything that you do looks the same. And I'm saying that as like a compliment.
Okay.
So now it's just a matter of you maturing it and yeah, picking it apart and trying to make it better and better as the years go on.
Got it.
These are great. I can really see improvement here.
Thank you.
Well, the more value you use, the better.
These are when I went to the Met Museum to the Pinocchio exhibit.
When was that?
I believe it was sometime in March. It was for an event I was doing with La Bodega, which is a club here at SVA. It's really great.
Nice. Very nice. Wow, you have been busy. My God, look at all of this. A lot of energy. Did you like the dogs a little bit?
I guess I'm really not great at drawing animals. Bingus. I'm really not great at drawing animals. But it's been great to like experiment and like try to learn because it's definitely something I want to get better at.
Yeah. I would have liked to have spent a little bit more time with them, but yeah, I appreciate it.
Eggs.
Wow.
And this was something I did on Wednesday at the field trip, but I pasted it in here because yeah.
Did you have fun there?
I really did. It was great.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's Karen. Beautiful. Wow, you got a lot in this sketchbook. My goodness.
Yep. A little comic about my realization that my deadlines were approaching.
Yeah.
Very rapidly.
Oh my God.
And these are storyboards that I still need to finish because I want to do them during the summer, hopefully.
Awesome sauce.
Some models from class and also Freddy Fazbear.
Nice, nice. And these are all with those pencils right there.
Yep, the Col-Erase.
Wow.
And then finally we got to
At
the
the museum trip.
Yep.
Yeah, I like that place and I don't like that place. Like when I see your drawings, I'm like, yeah, it's good to go there, but sometimes it just has such a dark, old feeling there. Like it's not like the Met. The Met is like beautiful.
Yeah, because the lighting is a little bit like dark.
Wow. And you actually drew the whale.
Yes.
That's incredible.
Was I not supposed to?
No, nobody usually draws it, so I thank you for that.
Okay.
Excellent. This is a super fun sketchbook, and you really got better and better and better.
Thank you.
And I really like the drawings towards the ends here. This is fabulous.
Yes, these last two were done actually last night.
Damn.
And then we reached the end.
All right, Clara, thank you so much for sharing your sketchbook, and we'll put your social media right below it.
Nice.
And listen, YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.